Well, hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to share a little story with you about what we got going on using our whole life insurance policy to take out a loan. And it's for real. Um, so, want to welcome you on our journey for the financial freedom frontier and showing you the possibilities of saving money and then reusing it, earning dividends, paying yourself some interest, and doing that cycle over and over again. So, anyway, going about 2 weeks ago or 10 days ago, called the life insurance company and wanted to take out a loan against my policy. And I'm a little bit old school. I wanted to see just what the time frame was on getting this complete, and so they emailed me the paperwork because it was above a certain threshold. Uh, they emailed me paperwork to sign off on. If it was below a threshold, I wouldn't have had to sign that paperwork. But above the threshold that they had, uh, I had to fill out paperwork. So I did that. I faxed it back, and I use fax because there's so much scam and so much cyber fraud going on in the world. Scams, uh, computers being hacked, whatever. Uh, the one thing that isn't hackable yet is the old school fax machine. So that's what I chose to do. And then I sat back and waited for 10 days. And guess what showed up in the mail yesterday? Well, this week. So, one, I'm going to share with you this. Got a letter here, and it says, "Dear Jason," and it addresses my policy number so I can verify that it's my policy. It says, "This is to inform we have processed your loan request in the amount of money that I asked for. The funds were sent to you on this date," which happened to be November 28th, 2024, "in the form of direct deposit." So, anyway, and that meaning they were sending me a check in this example. If you have any questions, and they left a contact number for me to call for my rep. Um, so anyway, got that in the mail, and then immediately after that, here's my stub, and here's my check. And I'm not going to show you my check in my form because it's got my personal information on it. But anyway, it says policy number, loan amount, uh, what I owe in interest. Now here's what's key. Um, it is Today is December 10th, 2024. Um, I call up my local banker and asked for a personal loan. Quoted me at 7.5% interest. That's just where we are with bank loans right now. That's the interest rate environment right now, based on where the Fed is. I went back to my savings deposit or my cash value in my whole life insurance, and I was able to pull a loan against myself. Would I have to pay the company on this particular loan? 4.78%, less than 5%. That's 2.5% less than what I can go to my local bank and pull their money out for. I'll let you do the math on that. I'm not going to go through a math example here today for you. But the realistic part of this is I just took out a loan against my policy, my money, for 2/3 of the amount of what I can go to my local bank for. Substantial. Now, I'm going to pay myself back 10. Okay. So, or up to 10, meaning I'm going to have a cushion of about 5% plus, or a little over 5%, increasing my savings mechanism within my whole life insurance policy. So, anyway, this stuff's real. Uh, there's lots of YouTubers or online experts that say it's not possible, not doable, and not a good mechanism or a good asset for you. I'm here to tell you, if you're listening to that, you're just, it's, I mean, it might be right for you, it might not be. I don't know. I'm not going to be the judge of your financial wherefore, but for a good lot of us, to be able to earn dividends on our life insurance policy, to be able to use that same money out on loan instead of going to the bank and paying the bank. Um, I'm the bank. This is IBC, Infinite Banking Concept. We're going to do this over and over. Now, this particular money, I'm turning right back into, my wife and I, we're turning it right back into investments. Specifically, this money is going right into tax liens. So anyway, we're even on this amount of money that I pulled out of my life insurance. We're earning dividends on the full amount, not X minus Y and getting dividends on Z, negative Ghost Rider. We're still getting dividends on X. And then on top of that, we're putting it over into a real estate investment called tax liens, and we're going to earn interest on that. I'll do a whole different seminar or whole different talk on that. The realistic part of this is I'm making over 23% return on investment with this cash. I'm super excited about that. Maybe some of you are doing better, some of you are doing less. I don't know. I feel pretty comfortable with this. I'm very proud of it, and I'm proud to be sharing it with you. So anyway, hope this helps. And this kind of just goes right along with our journey on the financial freedom frontier. And if you got questions, comments, drop them down in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you, or get a hold of us anytime. Like, be glad to sit down. Jenna, I know Jenna would be glad to sit down and visit with you. I'll be glad to sit down and visit with you, especially tying it back into some real estate investing, and just seeing what it means for you. What it means for you might be a little different for me, and you know what? That's okay. It's actually perfect. So anyway, hope this helps. Catch you on the next video. Talk to you later.